She was a minute ago.
Where's Haley?
Yeah, I'm letting her have a bed for once in her life. Just let her have a bed.
Her bed's that.
But you can pushing her on the floor. Wherever she goes, you lie on top of her.
Ooh, it's my bed.
That's not your floor.
It's my house.
Sorry.
It's my house.
I'm not saying anything.
Stop saying snoring. Oh.
Okay, you can sleep there.
No.
It's the thing. Stop the thing on Haley. Haley's trapped inside.
Haley's trapped inside it. This is a torch with coffee torching Haley.
Haley, do you want to be trapped inside?
No, why not?
Yeah, she said, why not? Oh, it's okay, go back, go further in. Okay, tuck all your hair in so it doesn't hurt.
So it doesn't hurt, you can't breathe.
You can't breathe in
But you
that.
can just carry along, you know, snack is just not there.
When I was trying to do that before when I was around there, I had to
It won't close.
open my hair.
Don't pull on it. Which one's doing that?
Oh, we're going to go now.
There we go.
Bye.